Aiden from Zachary and Aiden Show. Today I'm going to be opening my Tinker Crate. And here's what it is. It's a 3D viewer. Here's the steps. It's going to be pretty fun. I'll come back in a few days to show you what we build. With this little some things to spew on. It's a puppy thing. Wood stuff. Whatever this thing is. That's shiny stuff. And if you look very closely, you can see the outline of these circles. We'll tune in on Saturday and show you what we build.